Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows Store installation of Spotify was found in your system. So how to solve it? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, go to your go to your settings of the Windows, go to your apps. After doing this step, search this list and find out a Spotify. Now here is a Spotify. Click on uninstall it. Click on uninstall. After doing this start, close it and install Spotify, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.